How you folks doing? I'm Chris Lundgren with Dosatron International. I'm here at the Sunlight Supply testing facility. We're here to talk to you about what a Dosatron is, how it's going to benefit your grow, and how it's going to make you more successful. The science behind a Dosatron is that we've got a piston which actually moves up and down that's connected to what we call a plunger. That plunger has a seal on the bottom that runs through the actual injection stem. Working very similar to a syringe, it draws that product up, brings it up into the bottom housing, and blends it right here in line. As an example, I'm going to go ahead and turn this unit on. This is a clear unit. These units come in blue, so you won't have to worry about the clear. This is for demonstration purposes only. Now you can see that the water is actually coming through the unit, and you can actually now see that piston moving up and down, pulling up that product from the base and actually drawing that concentrate, blending it in line, and putting it out exactly how we want it. So if we're going to set this thing at 1 to 100, we're actually going to get 1 to 100, anywhere from about 1/3 of a pint a minute all the way to 14 gallons per minute on this particular unit. We can use anywhere from 1 unit all the way up to 8 units in line and actually still be very successful and very precise in that blending. The Dosatron unit also has the ability to deal with a wide variety of products, anywhere from synthetics to organics, compost teas, to very viscous products. We also have something in the Dosatron line that allows us a little bit more flexibility, and that is the ability to have what we call a bypass. When this bypass is turned on, it actually stops the piston from moving up and down, which therefore stops the unit from injecting. If we actually turn that bypass back off, and if injection is necessary again, it's important that you could use this at bypass. So let's use the example of the 8 units in line. When you have those 8 units in line, towards the end of the flush cycle, you may want to actually turn all those units on and only use 1 for your flushing agent. That flushing agent will be perfectly blended and put out into the plant, right into the root zone. One of the more popular products that's great with synthetics is what we call the D25 RE09, this product right here. This one has an injection range of anywhere from 3.5 milliliters to 35 milliliters per gallon. Now, all of the Dosatrons are going to come in what we call ratio and percentage. So we've translated that into milliliters per gallons or teaspoons per gallons. Each unit will come with a sticker right on the unit that will break that conversion down and make it a little easier to do the math. Every single unit that comes from France is tested. So the water in there is a normal thing. Go ahead and take those red caps off. You're going to plug your suction hose in, and you're ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and crank the unit back up because there's something I want you to see. There's a lot of vortex going on there. So we're creating a wonderful blend. You can note that when the product comes out and goes in line, it's always going to have a beautiful blend. For more information, go to dosatronusa.com, or you can check out sunlightsupply.com for some videos and some troubleshooting information.